Let me guess. You're going to sleep late again. Your phone is still in your hand. The room is quiet, but your mind is loud. Your body is tired, but your thoughts won't shut up. You tell yourself, tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow I'll wake up early. Tomorrow I'll study properly. But morning comes, and you already feel tired. You hit snooze once, twice. Classes feel heavy. Your head feels foggy. Focus is gone. Motivation feels like zero. And slowly, you start blaming yourself. I'm lazy. I lack discipline. I'm not made for this. But listen carefully. This isn't because you're lazy. It's because your night routine is broken. Today, I'll show you a simple night routine. Nothing extreme, nothing fancy. Just small changes that help you fall asleep faster, wake up feeling fresh, and actually feel productive the next day. No miracle habits, no 5 a.m. drama, just realistic steps students can actually follow. Stay till the end, because one small change tonight can fix your entire tomorrow. Think about this. Your brain doesn't reset in the morning. It resets at night. When you don't sleep well, your memory gets weaker, your focus drops, your motivation crashes, and procrastination increases. That's not weakness, that's biology. Science shows that deep sleep strengthens learning ability, decision-making, and emotional control. So if you want better marks, better focus, and less stress, your real work doesn't start in the morning. It starts after sunset. Let's fix this, step by step. This part is important. 1 hour before bed, don't overload your mind. No intense studying, no solving life problems at midnight, no replaying old mistakes. Instead, do this. Step 1. Put your phone away, at least 30 minutes before sleep. Blue light tells your brain it's still daytime. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, gets blocked. That's why your eyes feel tired, but sleep doesn't come. Tonight, do this. Charge your phone in the other corner of the room. Turn on night mode, and tell yourself, scrolling ends here for today. It will feel uncomfortable. Your fingers will reach for the phone. That discomfort is not bad. It's your brain detoxing. Step 2. Light brain dump. Just 5 minutes. If your mind races at night, it's not because you think too much. It's because you're scared of forgetting things. So take a notebook, write everything down. Unfinished tasks, worries, random thoughts, even silly ideas. When your brain feels nothing will be forgotten, it finally relaxes. Tell yourself, I'll handle this tomorrow. Your brain loves patterns. When you repeat calm actions every night, your body understands it's time to sleep. Choose any 2 of these: light stretching, slow breathing, inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds, read 2 or 3 pages of a book, soft music, or complete silence. No productivity here, no self-improvement pressure, just calm. This isn't wasted time, this is recovery. You don't need a perfect room, just fix the basics. Dim the lights, keep the room cool if possible. Sleep at the same time every day, even on weekends. Most students sleep at random times. That confuses the body clock. Pick a realistic time, not too early, just consistent. Consistency works better than motivation. Now listen carefully. When you sleep well, waking up takes less effort. Your mind feels clearer. Small tasks don't feel heavy. You stop chasing motivation. Your body starts supporting you. Students who fix their nights don't become geniuses overnight. They just stop fighting themselves. Before closing your eyes tonight, say this quietly. I did enough for today. Not perfect, not complete, enough. Burnout happens when you never mentally clock out. You deserve rest, and rest makes you stronger tomorrow. If life feels stuck, don't fix everything at once. Fix your night first. Tonight, put your phone away, write your thoughts down, follow a calm routine. Do this for 7 days, not perfectly, just honestly. You'll feel the difference yourself. If this video helped even a little, like it so it reaches more students. Subscribe if you want simple habits that actually work. Share this with a friend who's always tired but still trying. You're not behind. You're just one good night's sleep away from a better day.